Hi, I'm Chef Tammy Brawley. Welcome to Virginia Heart of the Home, our special outdoor series. Today we're going to be doing some work with some garlic. I absolutely love these kinds of recipes. I'm going to turn you guys onto something you may not know anything about, and that is black garlic. Black garlic is garlic that has been warmed in a rice cooker or a crock pot for actually about 10 to 14 days, believe it or not. It ferments and turns a nice black color. One of the recipes we're going to do for you today is a black garlic pasta with a delicious sauce. But we're going to start with my favorite pizza, which is a white pizza. You get some pre-made pizza dough here. We're going to go ahead and turn our grill pan on too, because we're actually going to grill this. Make sure we got some heat here. All right, so while that's warming up, we've got some nice fresh pizza dough here. Pizza dough is very easy to make as well. Lots of recipes out there. They're all basic and simple. But get yourself whatever size pizza you like. I like the personal pan pizzas, especially if you've got a group of people coming over. Everybody can have their own topping, what they would like. Got a little bit of flour on some parchment paper. I'm going to do a little non-stick spray on that for us. And when you do your own pizza dough or you roll out your own dough, remember it can be somewhat rustic. It does not have to be a perfect circle. Nothing's perfect in the chef world. Right onto the grill pan as you saw me place it. Now I've got some fresh mozzarella here, and I've got some fresh basil, and I've got some sliced garlic. We'll be working with the black garlic in a few minutes. So I like to take the basil and just do kind of some chiffonade, a little rough chop on it. We can check our pizza dough. I see the smoke, so that's good. Oh yeah, just about ready there. We're going to grill both sides of that dough, and we're going to be putting some olive oil on it in a few moments. I actually don't care for a red sauce. I like to do a little olive oil on my pizza. Get that olive oil moved around a little bit on there. Oh, this is looking really good. Maybe put a little salt on it. All right, now we've got some garlic slices here. I just don't think you can get enough garlic most times. And now we're going to put some fresh mozzarella cheese on that. Pinch off a few pieces here. All right, now while that's grilling on that side, if you've got a lid, this is actually a pizza pan lid, believe it or not, but if you have just any kind of lid that covers your pan, put it on top like that. And the reason we're doing that is so that helps that cheese melt. All right, I'm gonna give that a couple of minutes. All right, so we're warming up our olive oil for our black garlic recipe. We're gonna toss in a few sliced shallots. Shallots are kind of a combination of a garlic and an onion. Not really garlic, I guess, but anyway, if you've got a red onion and you don't have a shallot, that's okay. Go ahead and use the red onion. We're going to move those shallots around. They're starting to get brown a little, so I'm going to turn the heat down just a bit. And now we're going to come back to our black garlic. It's got the peels on it just like regular garlic does. Turn that heat off while we get a little garlic prepared. Peel the skins off. So we've got some nice sticky black garlic we're going to add to our shallots and hot olive oil. So once the shallots have softened and the garlic has flavored the oil a little bit, you can come back with some white wine. So the white wine is reducing down a little bit with the olive oil and the garlic and the shallots. We're going to come back with a little bit of butter. I want to whisk that in, get that nice and combined. And now you want to have some already ready cooked pasta. Toss that in there. Mix that up with that nice delicious sauce. One of the best and easiest recipes to do. Have yourself a serving dish ready. Make sure you get some of that black garlic on that top of that pasta for your guests to see how pretty that is. But there you have it. You have a black garlic pasta with quite a simple little sauce there. So now let's check that pizza that we were working on. Oh, looks good. Look at this delicious. Pizza has actually, the cheese has melted. Pull that right off the grill pan. It's okay, I've lifted a few hot things. So we've got it waiting on our cutting board, and we're going to toss that with the top with a little bit of fresh basil. I could have put the basil on before I put it on for the cheese to melt, but I like to add that basil at the end because I think you get much more of a better flavor. In fact, I think I'll even toss that pasta with a little bit of basil. So there you have it, guys. We've got some delicious garlic recipes. I highly recommend you seek out black garlic and try it. It makes a delicious sauce, as you just saw me do. And then we're going to actually cut up a little crusty bread. This is some nice local bread from Idle Hands in the Fan here in Richmond. Put that with the pasta. And there you have it. This is Virginia Heart of the Home. Thank you very much for joining us, and we hope you'll see us again.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Tammy Brawley's website, greenkitchenrichmond.com.